Hello, elite scientist. Welcome. I'm broadcasting live from my telescope here. Hi, Kobe. Hello, Thailand. Thank you, Uday. We are pointed at the southern region of the first quarter moon. Thank you, Frankie. Yes, elite scientist, welcome. Hello, Thailand. Why does the moon have dark spots? Because of the mineral content on the moon. The darker content is more magnesium and titanium. Yes, Frankie, thank you. Saturn is out. Actually, I can show you Saturn. Does the moon have oil? I am not sure. Yeah, I can point it at Saturn. I need to calibrate something and zoom in a little bit more, but yeah, let me fix something here real quick. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit, then I'll show you Saturn afterwards. Give me 1 second. I am zoomed in now. So let's just take a look at some of the features of the moon tonight, then we will go to Saturn. Hi, Ray. Hi, Marilda. Look at the mountains on the surface of the moon. This is Copernicus crater. Look at the details here. I'm using an 8 inches telescope, and it has a lot of zoom power on it. You can see the details here, pretty intense details. Hello, Radaf. This is the maximum zoom in. The cell phone is mounted on the telescope's eyepiece using a cell phone mount. How many telescopes do I have? I have, I think, five. Five telescopes. Yep. This is Tycho crater, one of the most recent craters. If you see here, if I zoom out, you can see the ejecta from this crater. Yeah, moon has been beat up, yep. This telescope is about $15,000, but I have recommendations for $200, $250 that can get you really nice views. If you go to my website and go to my gear, you can see all the details and you can see the recommendations. Yeah, this is $15,000. It's an observatory grade telescope. The blue fringing here is from the eyepiece. It's not from the telescope. The eyepiece is a cheap one. How much did I spend on my gear? I spent a fortune. I mean, with everything I have, I think I spent about $40,000 to $50,000. Yeah, about $50,000. I'm heavily invested in this. Hello, crazy space. The largest crater is not visible from Earth. It's not on the visible side, but I can show you. Yeah, my telescope here is an airy disk. It's an 8 inches airy disk telescope. See, those are large craters here. Yeah, I will point it at Saturn shortly. Let me sync the target here to the center of the moon, right? A second here. Flags is not visible from Earth. I am originally from Lebanon. Okay, guys, I'm gonna slew to Saturn. We're gonna lose the image for like 30 seconds. So just stay tuned. We are pointing at Saturn right now. You can hear the mount slowing. Give me 1 second, guys. I need to readjust the eyepiece. A couple things. Give me 1 second. Okay. Well, that doesn't look good. Give me 1 second. it's gonna be hard to find it. I cannot get to find Saturn. Well, I mean, I see it from here, but something is off. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. I found it. I just need to put the eyepiece, the cell phone back on the eyepiece. Oh, it's very difficult. Yeah, I'm not sure why I cannot find it. Sorry. Let me see if I can do it. I think I saw it for a second here. I mean, I see it from my eyepiece. Okay, let me try one more time here, because I think I saw a glimpse of it. Yeah, here. Oh, you have no idea how hard it is to do this with a cell phone. At some point, I'm going to do it from a planetary camera and a PC. But yeah, there you go. Let me adjust the focus here. Yep, we are good. You can see Titan to the left. Not sure if you guys can see it, but there is Titan right to the left side of Saturn. There is Saturn. Oh, you can see another moon too. You can see two moons of Saturn right there. Great seeing tonight. And it looks even better from a planetary camera. You guys can see there are two moons to the upper left. And actually I see a third one right next to the ring on the left side. Yes, Casper, you see it. It's looking pretty good. Yep. This green and blue and red is the fringing from the eyepiece. But there is Saturn for you. Zoom out. This is the maximum zoom out, I think. Oh, yeah, we are. This is the farthest zoom out. Why am I using a cheap eyepiece? Because I screwed up the fancy one. I disassembled it to clean it, and I put back the optical components incorrectly, and I don't know how am I gonna put it back together. Yeah, I'm using a phone too, so I am limited really with what I can show, but for a cell phone this is a great view. I mean, you can see it pretty nicely. You can even see the moons here. It's very hard to see any details from a cell phone, but this is a big telescope. Jupiter is too low in the sky right now, unfortunately. Thank you, Rambo. Thanks, Peyton. I am in the United States, in Nashville, Tennessee. Corona Borealis is not visible. At least from my area, there. It's cloudy in the southern area. I'm not sure where is the southern area. I don't know where you are located. What else is good tonight? There are plenty of stuff. For what we can see tonight, I only have Saturn and the moon. But if I had a camera attached, I could have shown you some nebula and stuff. Maybe I'll do that in a future broadcast. Mars is too low in the sky right now. It's not visible yet. Jupiter is not visible either. Yeah, Florida. I hope you didn't have any damages from the hurricane, Rambo. Nothing is going to look as good as Saturn. I agree with you. Jupiter is too low, but I am planning to broadcast Jupiter in the future. Yeah, it's rising from the horizon, but I cannot see it from my area. I am surrounded by very tall trees. Thanks, Peyton. ADC. Yeah, I actually I can put an ADC, but it's gonna be it's gonna be a nightmare. I can try putting it actually. Let me try. Give me 1 sec. The ADC. I got an ADC with me, but it it might throw off the whole planet. But I can try. Let me try this real quick. Yeah, as I expected. Yeah, that's what I expected. But I need to adjust the focus also. I put the ADC on. Someone suggested to place an ADC, so here I just placed it, and I need to adjust it a little bit. So still have some blue, and no, that doesn't do it. I don't think it's the ADC though. I think it's more of from the eyepiece. Yeah, you see, that's getting it worse. The ADC is the atmospheric dispersion corrector. So thank you for suggesting that. I mean, here we have it. I don't know if it helped a lot. Maybe I don't know how to use it, but it does look a little nicer though. It does look a little bit better. Actually, that looks really good. Thank you, Ahmad. Clean it. It is clean. It's just the cell phone, really. The camera needs to move back. There is a focal window where it looks clear, but you can't maintain it without a stiff setup on the phone. There, that's right. That looks pretty good to me though. For a cell phone, I've never had anything that looks this good before, so no, Saturn is not crossing the moon. It's far from the moon. I made some tutorials, Kobe, and thank you, Viraj. I appreciate it. Wow. How much is that? Is that 29 euros? What is that? I don't know how much is that, Viraj. But thank you very much. I appreciate it. Oh, it's 35 cents. It shows 35 cents on my end. Is the ABC corrector worth it? To me, I rarely used it. Thank you, Shivam. You decided to do AE instead of CSE because of you. What is AE? After Effects? Mars is too low, guys. Wow, I see another moon here to the right too. I did capture the comet. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Sai. This is the maximum magnification here. All right, elite scientist, enjoy your breakfast. Yep. Yeah, I did capture Andromeda before. I do have pictures on Instagram of Andromeda. I captured the comet tonight, by the way. It's on my Instagram page. My Bortle level is 6 or 7. I believe in other life and universe, yes, of course. I mean, we are a single star in this solar system and we have all this, and I think every star out there has its own civilization. Thanks, Shivam. Hello, California. Mohan, the more glass I put, the worse it gets. I mean, this is the best, one of the best views we got. Oh, Viraj. Thank you, Viraj. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. That's the maximum zoom that we have here. This is the maximum zoom I got. I'm actually thinking to go get some pictures of Saturn right now. I'm originally from Lebanon and I live in Nashville, Tennessee. Can you make it clear? This is the clearest I can get because it's a cell phone. Yeah, probably, Raymond. There are definitely other civilizations out there. I am about to actually, I'm very tempted to go and yeah, Juno, I agree with you. Yep. I do not discuss politics on any of my platform. The moon Rhea is right here. Right here, you see? It's right there. It's one of those 3 dots that you see here. Actually, those 2 fainter dots, because this one is Titan. Yeah, Raymond. Orion stars, I will be broadcasting that in the future. No, I have not discovered any moons. I don't know, I felt what sparkled my interest in astronomy. It's very de-stressing, it's very calming to me. You know, it's part of nature around us, and it's really soothing, so I kind of got into it. No, this is not the first time we see Saturn on a live broadcast. We cannot see a black hole from an amateur telescope. Yeah, Rambo, thank you. Can you speak out my name? Yes, if you tell me why. Why do I have to do that? Can you broadcast Venus next time? Maybe in the future. Problem with Venus is it's usually too low in the sky, and the seeing in a low sky is not great. Yeah, the unknown gunman. I mean, each one of us will have a different way to de-stress. I cannot compete with NASA for sure. Thank you, Sai. My favorite app is Star Map 3D Plus. Yeah, Raymond, I totally agree with you. Okay, it's Sensei. Here you go. I got your name. Sensei. It's Sensei. Welcome. Mars is not visible yet. Located in Nashville, Tennessee. I wish I could be the new Galileo. Good morning, Pakistan. Welcome, Sensei. Yeah, I still speak my Lebanese language. I mean, I've been in the US for 10 years, so I definitely still have my language. I think I can see Neptune. Let me see if I can point it at Neptune. Yeah, the mount actually tracks the objects. Let me see if I can do Neptune here, guys. Uh, if we are lucky, we might be able to see Neptune. Uh, no, not visible. Oh, guys, this is Neptune, I think. Maybe I'm wrong. No, Neptune is usually blue. I'm not sure why it's not visible. It's gonna be hard. I'm not sure why the telescope is not pointing accurately tonight. Okay, there is Saturn. Let me do this. Let me well, yeah, Jupiter is up, but it's too low. Like I cannot see Jupiter. Okay, let's try Neptune one more time. 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 .
。 . 。 . 。 .
Can you guys see it? Maybe my screen is not bright enough. Hmm. No. Well, maybe another time we will see Neptune, or maybe I did not. I mean, here it shows Saturn. Why doesn't it show Neptune? I'm gonna try one more time. Mm-mm. I cannot see Neptune for some reason. Alright, well, maybe another time. Jupiter is gonna take another 2 hours to be up, so. The app's name is Star Map 3D Plus. Look at Titan and Rhea. And there is Saturn. My Bortle number is 6 or 7. I am not sure, Zane. I'm not sure. Alright, guys. I guess I'm gonna have to go soon. Maybe I'll get some pictures of Saturn. Let me show you the telescope here. This is the telescope. Saturn was right there. And the moon just went behind the tree. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. I will see you in future broadcasts. Take care.